Let's see how to crochet this pattern. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. Crochet hook I am using is of 4 mm. Here I make my slip knot, and after slip knot make any number of chain crochet stitches depending upon your project, whatever you need. Make any number of chain crochet stitches. Here I am making only a tutorial purpose video, so I am just making 11 chain crochet stitches. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Once we are done with the chain crochet stitches, leave first stitch after current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till end. Okay, just leave first stitch after the current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch till the end of the line. I'll just complete this line and I'll show you. We are done making stitches till the last stitch. Now we will just make a chain crochet stitch and we will turn a crochet work. And now we turn a crochet work. Now see, for now onwards, for every new row, we will skip first and second stitch which comes after the current loop on the needle. Okay, these two stitches we are going to skip in each row, each new row. And we will start from third stitch. Now we are going to make extended single crochet stitch. I'll show you how. Yarn over, pull through from one loop, then yarn over, pull through from two loops. See again. And as we are on the back side of the as we are on the back side of the design, so we will use only front loop. We will make stitches using only front loop of each stitch. So it's yarn over, pull through from one loop, yarn over, pull through from second loop. See, we are using only front loop of each stitch. This is extended single crochet stitch, and I'm trying to show you quite slow. And when we are in the front side of the design of the crochet work, we will use back loop of each stitch. Right now we are making extended single crochet stitch. So it's like we yarn over, pull through from one loop, yarn over, pull through from both loops. See, one loop, now both of them. And always remember to take last stitch. Always remember to take last stitch. I'll show you which last stitch I'm talking. Here we are end up. This is the combination of one row will be single crochet stitch in each single stitch. It will be using back loop of each stitch, and second row will be, see, this is the last stitch I'm saying. Don't forget to take this last stitch in each row. This is, now we are at the end of the work, so we will make a chain crochet and turn our work. Okay, now Again we will skip starting two stitches which comes after current loop on the needle, and from third stitch we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch using back loop. Okay, now we are in the front side of the design, so we will be using back loop. So, or let's make it simple. Whenever one first row is single crochet stitch and second row is extended single crochet stitch. So whenever we are on the single crochet stitch row, we will use back loop of each stitch, and whenever we are on extended single crochet stitch row, we will use front loop of each stitch. Okay, and it is repetition of these two only: single crochet stitch row, extended single crochet stitch row, then again single crochet stitch row, extended single crochet stitch row. Okay, I'll just make 4-5 rows so you will get a proper idea how this looks. Now I'm making it for tutorial purpose, so I have just made some 10 rows. As you go with more bigger, it looks more better. See, this is how it will look. It's easy, simple, and like quickly you can make this pattern, and on bigger project it will look quite good, more better than this smaller one. This was just for tutorial purpose. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with more and more new videos. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.